Planning versus Reality, Episode 6. Today, according to our district planning, we're supposed to be working with textual evidence and doing a short constructive response using text evidence for it. But I also want to tackle something else, which is vocabulary. Every teacher should be teaching vocabulary at least once a week. This helps the students with comprehension. And if you have second language learners, this is a big, big deal. As you can see, according to my iReady scores for the beginning of the year, vocabulary is a very, very low one. So I have to tackle that besides tackling my regular planning. So today my plan for the class will be to, let's see. We are going to be, first of all, welcoming the students back. It's a Monday. We are going to be doing a little bit of iReady for 10-15 minutes. Then I explained today what our focus today is writing, but we're also going to be working with vocabulary words. Usually for vocabulary, there's different activities you can do. You can present the words. You can work with them as teams. You can do a fire model at the end. The way I like doing it right now is just the first step is I always present a picture of the word. We talked about what we're seeing, so they start getting an idea of what the word means. I do about 20 words per week because this is a 6th grade level, but you don't have to do that many. And then after they're done, after we're done discussing the words, we go ahead and complete this chart, which is my version of fire model, where they have the word again. They have to then look for the official definition. They have to write a sentence with each word and draw a picture with it. In this form I got from TPT, and if they don't finish it here, this can also be homework. If we have time, then we're going to continue reading our chapter of today's book, and then we are going to tackle the short constructive response that we are supposed to do according to today. Well, it's the end of the day now. All went well. A few observations. Number one, some of the students were complaining about the amount of words that I give them on a weekly basis. But I quickly showed them the graph that I showed earlier, how bad vocabulary is for this group. So after I explained to them the importance of learning words to comprehend better, then they were able to feel a little better about it. We did 10 of them in class, and the other 10 are going to go for homework. And another thing I really love is that when you're presenting pictures of the words, students have a lot of stories to tell, and they want to share, and they like to participate. So it builds some classroom community. But overall, all went well with vocabulary today. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow when we see those words again in the story. We will be highlighting them and talking about them again so they can continue comprehending better new words.